Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You've been wearing Tommy.
What's going on, everybody? I just want to talk about something really quick. So when I was doing my engine in my Grand Cherokee Jeep, I bought a fan plug off of Rock Auto, and I bought a Rock Auto fan that came with the shroud. Okay. Do not buy VDO, I think the brand was for the fan. Don't buy it. It literally almost burnt the Jeep down to the ground, and I am not very happy right now. The fan's making a ton of noise. It's been for maybe a month now. I've only had the thing back on the road for maybe 3 or 4 months. So now I gotta buy another cooling fan, another plug. Just stay far away from VDO cooling fans. I don't know if you can hear the fan. It's making a ton of noise. You should definitely not be doing that. This is the plug right here. It's all burnt. Wires in here are extremely hot. Like, I could barely even touch them. I have them just wire connected back on. So I was just curious to see if the fan would work or not. But yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna be buying the fan. At least I won't need the fan shroud this time. And I gotta buy a new plug. So stay far away. Far away from that brand, that's for sure. So anyways, guys, I was driving down the road, you know, just minding my own business. I hurt my back recently, so I haven't been able to drive the Jeep too much because it's a pain to get in and out of. So I've been driving my daily driver, and I haven't drove this thing in maybe 3 days. So I'm driving down the road, and I'm watching the temperature gauge, and it's getting a little high, which is a little weird for this thing because it has an oversized radiator, high flow water pump, you know, the cooling system's upgraded. So normally it hovers right around 180, which for a 4.0, that's a really good temperature considering how hot they run. So I start smelling a burning smell, and I'm like, what is that? So I have a remote start, and I put it in valet mode, and I ran into the store. And when I came out, the temperature was at 270 degrees. So I start moving down the road, it cools down. I'm like, okay, the fan's definitely not working, which is weird because it's a brand new cooling fan. VDO is the brand. Don't buy it. It literally almost caught my Jeep on fire. It burnt the plug for the fan, so now I need to buy a pigtail for the plug. I need to buy another new cooling fan. The only reason why I bought this one was because it came with a shroud, and it was the only brand that came with the shroud. I needed a shroud, mine was all cracked, and I wanted a new shroud. But now I gotta buy another fan, I gotta buy a pigtail for the plug. Just stay far away from VDO cooling fans. The thing makes a ton of noise, as you can hear, and just learn from my mistakes. Don't not put one of these in your Jeep. Just don't do it. Luckily I had a fire extinguisher, you know, just in case anything happened. I always keep a fire extinguisher in here. But it's still just the hassle of now I gotta spend more money. I gotta spend more of my time for something that was already fixed. It's really annoying. I'm not sure what brand I'm gonna get yet. I'll let you guys know, but I am not very happy about this. And I'm gonna see if Rock Auto can do anything for me, but I highly doubt it because I bought the fan about 4 months ago. It's probably not covered under warranty, but it is what it is. Stuff happens, you know. But enjoy the rest of your night, and just I figured I'd give you guys some insight so you don't make the same mistakes that I do. And just like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.